So today we are going to be testing out menstrual cups. Okay, vamos. This is not comfortable. I'm having a problem. So big. Oh wait, hold on, I can't do it. I can't find this. Let's get this girl out of here. Oh god, I'm so nervous. Ooh. Boiling water, Cora Cup. Ah, coño, está caliente. Okay, aquí vamos. Ah, that was a bad idea. Hey Siri, set a timer for 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes and... Okay, I think I need to put up my bangs for this. I think. They say wash your hands. Make sure you have clean hands before you do this. This is what the Cora menstrual cup looks like. Honestly, this looks very, very small. Don't know how this is gonna hold 12 hours of period in it, but let's trust the process. See, there's like a little divot right here, and that's where like your finger goes in, and you're supposed to push it in, go like this, insert in the vagina, releases, catches your menstruation. Oh god, I'm nervous. This is so big. ¿Cómo me voy a meter esto? Oh. I'm so nervous. Oh my god. Not comfortable. Oh, I can't do it. Ow. It was a little dry, so I wet it, and we want to see if that helps. That was the most awkward thing. Okay, the first time it didn't go in. It was just not happening. It was just, the wall was like right there. So I tried again the second time. Realized that when the cup is moist or wet, so I rinsed it with water, it's easier for it to, you know, go up in the tunnel. Also, I realized that I was trying to like just shove it in there, you know, but that wasn't working. So what I did the second time is I pushed like the edge, the back edge of the cup against like the back of my, pushed it against here, and then I kind of like swooped it in. Then it released and it made a noise. So I think it's in properly. I really can't tell. Yeah, so it doesn't feel like I have something in there, but it feels like I do have something in there. It's like kind of like when the first time you use a tampon, where you're like, ooh, I feel it, like it's there, but it doesn't bother you kind of thing. All right, we'll see what happens. I did put a panty liner on just in case to see if it actually catches all of the fluids or if stuff leaks out. I have been super intrigued about menstrual cups for quite a while now. Recently, I have been trying to adopt a more sustainable eco lifestyle, and one of the things that I thought to myself is, obviously I am not perfect and I cannot live the perfectly zero waste life, because I feel like that's just kind of impossible in this kind of day and age that we live in. I thought to myself, what are some things that I use a ton of that create a lot of waste, and what does that more than freaking tampons and pads? Once a month I go through a whole bunch of them. I don't never count it, but probably a good 20 or 30 tampons during my menstrual cycle, and that's a lot. So I thought to myself, I should just be a little bit more responsible and sustainable, not only for the planet, but also for my body. Particularly tampons, they're filled with so many toxins and chemicals that we don't even know about, and my delicate flower is absorbing all of these nasty chemicals. No honey, I don't think so. Hey girl, hey, no, that's my cup. Yes, good girl. These cups are typically made from medical grade silicone, so it's much safer for your body. Although none of it is really safe for your body. I feel like to some level, to some extent, there's always a risk to a lot of things. Did you know a woman will go through about 240 tampons in a year? That's about 9,600 tampons in her lifetime. Can you just picture 9,600 dirty tampons in a pile of crap somewhere? That's a lot of damn tampons. don't even know how to explain what just happened in the bathroom. I had a leakage. Today's my first day of my period, so usually I am the heaviest, my first and second day. And I thought I put the cup in correctly. It felt like it wasn't there correctly, but apparently not, because I had a huge leak. So I watched a few videos on YouTube about why I was leaking, and maybe I put the cup in wrong. So I went into the bathroom and I was going to try to take it out and put it back in again in a different way. And I couldn't find my cup. I couldn't find the little string thing, and I kind of panicked. I mean, I know there's nowhere for it to go, nowhere but out up in there. So, but I just couldn't find it. She was lost in a cervical black hole. I had to do some digging, which was very uncomfortable. My vagina feels very sore right now. It was about like a fourth of a way kind of fill, but it wasn't full. That, you know, the cause of my leak was because it was overflowing. So I dumped it in the toilet, rinsed it, went back in, tried to go back in. It took me at least like 10 times trying it. I just tried to not push it in as far up this time, and I kept it closer to the base of my vagina. So hopefully that helps. No. Okay, it is 4:55 currently. The last time I attempted to fix my cup was around 1 o'clock. Now, about 15 minutes ago, I started leaking again. I felt a leak and I was like, fuck, I messed up on how I reinserted my cup. And it turns out, no, my cup was actually full. If only that was the case with my real life. I think I need a bigger cup, but that means that it's gonna be that much thicker to get in there. I don't know. My first day is the heaviest, so maybe I need to experiment with getting a bigger cup for my heavier flow days, and then using the smaller cups or the more regular cup for the days that I'm not that heavy. But my vagina hurts right now because all of the inserting and extracting. A piece of advice: cut your nails before you do all this, because your nails starts poking and like cutting you, because you have to like dig in there to like get it out. I'm actually really nervous to sleep with this cup on. You know I'm gonna have that maxi long overnight pad on because it's been quite a spillage today. Apparently there was no actual leak, but as soon as I went to the bathroom, there was like air bubbles inside of me that went, and then whoosh, there was a leak. So okay, relax. I can't find this app, and if I find it, it's stuck in there. Ay Dios, que mierda, mano. Good morning. Yeah, I don't think I can do this cup any longer. It's just such a mission to get it out, and it's actually painful to get it out because I have to like get in there and like look for it. So I was only really able to wear this Cora Cup for about a day and a half, 2 days, because I was just struggling so much. I was leaking so much, and it was painful for me to find this thing to take out of my vagina. And so that was the biggest challenge I had with this cup. So on day 2 of my period, I decided to order this one, which is the Intimina Lily Cup. As you can see, it's much longer. Can I help you? I wasn't sure what was happening, why I was leaking so much, so I googled, you know, why is my menstrual cup leaking so much? Why can't I make it work? And after multiple articles, women have different cervixes, meaning like lengths of cervix. Why can't I say this word right? So yeah, so I ordered this one because I noticed it was much longer than the Cora Cup, so I thought maybe this would work. So it was like day 3 by the time I got this, day 3.5, so my period was getting much lighter. But anyways, I still decided to give it a shot. So I am going to try this. So the situation is that today is like my third-ish, I didn't shave, third-ish day of my period, and so my period is much lighter. It's like medium-ish light, so I don't know how much I can actually give you a really good review on this, but at least for this vlog, this video, we're going to see if this one fit much better in my woman cave. Okay, I'm nervous. Relax. It's so big. I can't tell. I think it's in. This one definitely feels bigger. We got a situation. This one, it's like bigger in the sense that it's like longer, so I don't really know if it's better or not. It was definitely a little hard to get in there bigger. Like, and right now I can feel the little tip at the bottom of my vajay. It's weird. I can feel it. I can literally touch it. Like, I can go like this and I can feel it. It's really awkward. Sorry, I'm like touching myself. But I'm gonna you can see me in the mirror. I think I'm just gonna let it adjust to my body, and I'm gonna go take Peter on a walk. Like I said, my period is like medium light right now, like actually very light, so I don't think I'll be able to tell if it's good with leaks or anything, but at least we can get a... I'm out of breath because that was a workout. It's very uncomfortable. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. What is this? So the Lily Cup also didn't work for me. I think I must be doing something wrong. I'm definitely gonna try it again on my next period cycle, but this one, I put it in a lot of cup in my vagina with this one. Like, I could feel it even after I adjusted. Like, when I would walk, I would feel this like on the bottom of my, you know what, and it was just very uncomfortable. Maybe I didn't insert it in enough, and also like I would bleed, and instead of it catching the blood inside, all the blood was on the outside. So I don't know what I'm doing wrong here, but neither of these ended up working for me. I am going to give them another shot my next month cycle because I really want to make this work. Like, I think part of like doing the menstrual cup thing is finding a cup that works for you, and once you find that cup, it's just like psh, magic. Like, it just works. But I'm really interested in knowing like what your experience has been with menstrual cups, and is there a menstrual cup that you recommend? And also, what are your tips to avoid like leakage? Like me, I had so much leakage, it was ridiculous. Now that I'm working from home, it's definitely much easier to do this whole like menstrual cup thing because, you know, the bathroom is very accessible, and you know, it's my own bathroom, right? So that's fine. But I feel like in public it would be so interesting to try to do this in public. So thank you for watching this video. I know it was a little bizarre, but anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed more of these like tested out videos, let me know in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up or thumbs down if you enjoyed or didn't enjoy it. At least it lets me know what type of videos you like to watch. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I have a Spanish channel as well. I will see you guys in my next video. Okay.